Hi guys, welcome back to Pushchair Expert, and today we're going to be taking a closer look at the UPPAbaby Ridge brakes and wheels. We have recently heard from a customer who's reported that their wheels are making a type of noise and they weren't sure where it was coming from or how to fix it. So today we've made this video to try and help you or anyone in the future with a similar problem. It is not necessarily a problem with the pushchair or anything to do with the manufacturing of the pushchair. It is simply the fact that these pushchairs have such strong brakes and big wheels, almost like a bike tire, and they are fully adjustable to suit the needs or the lifestyle of someone using this pushchair. So the brakes can be adjusted to be a little bit slower and a little bit less sharper, or they can be adjusted to be really sharp and stop super suddenly if needs be, especially if you're running in a hilly area. So it is definitely a useful factor to have. But let me show you the noise and how to fix it. Come on. So the fix to this will take you no more than a minute, which makes it super user friendly, whether you are experienced with this kind of thing or not. So if you take a closer look at this pushchair, you'll be able to see this blue area right by the brake. And all you will need to do to loosen the brakes and make the squeaking or rubbing noise stop is simply turn this bolt away from the tyre just until you can no longer hear the squeak. And as you can see, it is completely gone. And you can just completely fine tune this. So as I said, these pushchairs are super adjustable, and I will show you now the pushchair with no squeak. And as you can see, there is a microphone right here which will be able to hear if there is any noise coming from the wheel at all. Hopefully all you could hear behind this clip was the sound of my footsteps behind the pushchair. I couldn't hear the noise, and the microphone certainly didn't even pick it up, which just shows how easy it is to fine-tune this pushchair and make it suit your lifestyle exactly. As I mentioned, the brakes can be loosened even more so that they are a little bit softer depending on your lifestyle, or they can be fine-tuned and be a little bit sharper, which they still very much are. And that is one thing I will say is, after amending the bolts around the brakes, just do make sure that they are still as sharp as you'd like them to be, and these are still as sharp as ever. So I hope that you guys enjoyed this video and found it informative and helpful. Please do let us know if you have any further questions or anything you'd like us to clear up about your pushchair, whether it is the UPPAbaby Ridge or any other pushchair that you may have, and we will do our absolute best to help you. Thank you again for watching. Bye!